The topic for today's episode is moving up in your engineering firm. An awesome question came in from Simone, an experienced engineering professional, and here's the question. Hello, my name is Simone. I'm an engineering technician with 20 years work experience based in Liverpool, United Kingdom. And my question is, how come since I took my higher national certificate in engineering in 2011, I can't succeed in getting a career promotion inside my company? I have applied for several internal jobs, which seem to be perfect for my skills and experience, but all turned out a fail. The feedback I got from those interviews vary, but seems to be pretty much always along the same lines, which is, I'm a strong candidate, but they found a better suited one. I fulfilled acting roles along the route to try to boost my chances, but at the moment I am working as a CAD technician, which is the same job I had 20 years ago. Please advise. Thanks. Simone, I'm sorry to hear the struggles that you're having. It does sound frustrating for sure, but here's what I would say to you. If you want something and you're not getting it, there could be a couple of reasons. Number one, those that you're seeking the position from don't know you want it, okay? The second one is you don't have the tools to get it. Let's break each one of those down. First of all, it's one thing to go and apply for a position in your firm, but in my opinion, people should know you want that position every day, whether you apply for a job or not. I would make it extremely clear to my supervisor and anyone else I'm dealing with that I want this specific position and I'm going to work hard day in and day out until I get there, period. People need to know that about you. It needs to become synonymous with your name. I always made it clear that I wanted to become a partner in the engineering firm I was working for. I would tell everybody that because I wanted them to know that and be aware of that. This is good in a lot of ways. One, because people will try to help you achieve that, and they'll continue to tell you things you should do to get closer to that. The second thing is, what is your leverage, Simone? Leverage is something that can drive your career success. Leverage is what you have that gives you power, that gives you value. One way to think about it is when you go to your company and you say, I want to be in this position. If they say no, what do they have to lose? They have to lose you, which is what? What's your leverage? What's the skill set that you have, Simone, that nobody else in the company has? What are the things that you've done that they can't necessarily easily duplicate? That's your leverage. So it's important that you spend time building up your leverage so that when you get into a position where you want something, you can ask for it or demand it and get it because you've got a value and you've got leverage that's going to drive you towards getting what you want. Because if you don't have leverage, quite frankly, you don't have anything. I hate to say it that way, but you really don't. Lastly, like I always try to remind engineers, remember your downside. If you're going to go in there and say that I want this position and I want to have it in 6 months, you've got to have a lot of leverage. You've got to understand that at the end of the day, they could say no and they could terminate you. If they do that, what's your plan B? I hope that's helpful for you, Simone. Make sure everyone is clear on what you want to accomplish. Build up a specific talent, expertise, or skill that gives you leverage, and be prepared that if you're going to demand something, someone could turn you down. I hope you found this episode of Engineering Career TV helpful. Remember, you can go to engineeringcareercoach.com/ask and submit your question. This show is for you, and I want you to take advantage of it. You can find all of the episodes categorized by topic at engineeringcareer.tv. If you would like to discuss issues like this and other engineering career goals and challenges, I recommend you join the Engineering Mastermind, an online support community we have created for engineers at theengineeringmastermind.com. For the price, you can't get more specific, targeted engineering career advice and assistance. The Engineering Mastermind is not about helping you survive as an engineer. It's about helping you thrive. This is Anthony Fasano, author of Engineer Your Own Success. please subscribe to this show on YouTube or iTunes, and I'll see you next week.